Hello guys, welcome to Relax School. My name is Jyoti and I am a CMA finalist. So this is my first YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to introduce myself, and I'm also going to tell you guys what this channel is all about. Firstly, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Kapalavai Lakshmi Kavya Jyoti. I know it's very long. I just prefer to be called Jyoti. I am a graduate in Bachelor of Business Administration with specialization in finance. After doing BBA, I was working alongside my father in the business. I thought after a year I would do MBA. But when I was working with my father in the business, what I was doing was I was doing tally work. I was doing bookkeeping in tally, and I was also filing GST monthly returns. When I was doing that, I really enjoyed doing it, and I thought I also liked cost accountancy and operational management when I was studying BBA. So I thought I should do CMA, and I registered for CMA. I cleared my CMA inter, and now I am a CMA finalist. I was going to write my CMA finals in June 2026. Coming to what this channel is all about. In this channel, I am going to drop videos on study plans. I am a self-study student and I do plan things differently, so I thought I would share that. And next tutorials, I'm going to drop some videos on topics which was related to our CMA, and I'm also going to post videos on note-taking tips. I really do love writing. I have 2 journals and a study planner, and also take notes digitally. So yes, I'm also going to share videos on that. Next, CMA news, what is happening in our community. I'm going to share my perspectives as well whenever it is related to our CMA. When I was thinking about starting this channel, I really felt like I wanted to understand the vision and mission of this channel. It just felt necessary for me, so I just thought about it and wrote it down. I just thought maybe I should share that with you guys. The vision of this channel would be inspiring students to find yourself within and give yourself opportunity to find your own place. Sometimes I just feel like we are caught up with people expectations. It can be family, relatives, or friends. And sometimes what happens is we just forget what we truly want. Or even if we know what we truly want, we just caught up in all of the situations and we just don't give ourselves the opportunity to just do what we want to do. So I just think maybe in the long term, this channel will inspire you to truly give a chance with what you want to do. So the mission for this channel would be to guide CMA students towards success. So of course, study plans, tutorials, and note taking, all of this was about guiding CMA students. So the objective of this channel would be colorful approach to studying. If you could see this page, it's full of colors. So this is going to be the same approach when it comes to studying. Fun way of learning, to be consistent. Sometimes you're not consistent enough in studying, right? So I just feel like maybe if we add a little bit of fun, we will be very consistent in our studies. So this channel is going to try and replicate this so that we will be consistent in our studies. I understand that CA, CMA, CS, all of these courses are very professional, but it won't hurt to add a little bit fun just so that we could be consistent, right? So this channel is going to aim for that as well. Developing a sense of purpose. As I said, I just feel like maybe in a long term, we are just going to practice. We are going to practice developing a sense of purpose. So we'll just find opportunities where we just find our own place. So this is also going to be an objective. So let's move on to the most important part of this video. which was free CMA classes, right? So I'll tell you guys what was the deal with all of this. So I'm going to drop a series on quantitative techniques and decision making. If you guys know the syllabus, so there would be linear programming problems, there will be assignment problems, there is transportation, so there is game theory, there is simulation, there is maxima minima. So etc. All of this decision making concepts I'm going to cover in this series. So if you look at it, you'll find that LLP, assignment, transportation, all simulation, all of this are also covered in CMA Inter Operations Management, right? I'm going to follow the institute study material when I was creating these videos. So I'm going to follow CMA final SCM study material. So but I'll say these kinds of topics which are LLP, assignment, transportation and simulation, the students who are studying CMA Inter Operations Management can comfortably watch these videos for conceptual clarity. The next thing that I would like to say is all of the videos are going to be in English. So this is it, guys. This is everything that I wanted to say in this video. The first thing was this series was all about quantitative techniques in decision making, and we are going to follow study material, institute study material, and I'm going to follow CMA final study material, which was strategic cost management. This video can also be watched by CMA Inter students, which was covering operations management, and final students who are studying strategic cost management. This can be watched comfortably who want to understand and get conceptual clarity. Yes guys, this is it. So finally, I hope you guys resonate with this video, and I just hope you guys give an opportunity to this channel and watch the content. Thank you for watching the video.